Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. First of all, we want to introduce ourselves. My name is Putri Eka Solehudin with NPM 2240302165. And my friend Muhammad Rafi Insani with NPM 2240302173. In this video, we will share and explain an application that can improve your writing skill. The application is PTE tutorial. Enjoy watching!
Application description: PTA tutorial is the best preparation for a PTA test with real test-like interface. A trusted apps that provide flexible and deep preparation method for the PTA or person test of English academic. Test preparation not only practice question writing, but you will also get a speaking, reading, and listening practice. There are two categories of writing exercise, namely summarized written text and read essay. Vocabulary is also provided along with synonyms. You can also join the Telegram PTA tutorial in group on the apps.
How to use the application? First, type PTA tutorial in Google Play Store search and then install the application. Then, you can click Get Started. You can choose a login account using a telephone number or with Google. If you log in using a telephone number, select the country of Indonesia and type in your telephone number and click Send OTP. Wait until you get the OTP code and click Verify Now.
There are several types of exercise. You can click writing exercise in the practice question. You can click summarize written text if you want to practice summarizing. You can try summarizing and you will be given a 10 minutes based on the topic.
You will get an example of a simple answer in the upper right corner by clicking on the letter A. It's the same if you are going to do an essay writing exercise.
In other feature, there is a podcast about this application and you can listen anytime. In the menu section, you can select other feature such as the vocabulary feature. In the vocabulary menu, you will not only get how to read the word, but there are also synonyms.
Disadvantages: 1. We have to pay for premium features. 2. This application can't be used offline. 3. This application can't be downloaded for PC. Advantages: 1. Free practice question. 2. AI-based scoring. 3. Can learn together on Telegram group. 4. PTA coaching for expert.
The next is conclusion. This application is perfect for increased knowledge of English because it's not only writing but also includes listening, speaking, and also reading. Therefore, we highly recommend this application.
Suggestion: based on the application that have been described, your writing skill will improve if you continue to practice and learn. Do the exercise all the time. Thank you for watching.